Hi, I'm Dave Trull with the Trull Gallery, a custom furniture shop in St. Petersburg, Florida, and we're going to talk about some basic lathe turning techniques. What I'm going to talk about is spindle turning or between centers turning, and we're going to start with a pattern that I have, and the first thing I'm going to do is transfer some information from my pattern to my stock, and the first thing will be the distances of each shoulder cut that I'm going to make. What I've done is transferred these distances onto my stock with just a tick mark. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on the lathe and actually extend those marks with a pencil. I'm going to set my calipers to the first dimension, which in this case is 1 5/8". I'm going to set with my parting tool, I'm going to adjust down to that 1 5/8". And that's just about right. I'm going to perform that same task for each one of these shoulder marks. Okay, at this point we've got our depth set, and we're now going to remove the stock in between with our gouges. Now at this point we removed the majority of our stock, and now it's just a matter of cleaning things up, getting it down to our mark. Now I'm going to switch to a skew to get the final details of our turning, and I'm also going to go ahead at this point and step the speed up a little so we get cleaner cuts. Now you can see at this point we have a pretty finished piece. The shape is where we want it, matches our pattern. And the last thing we want to do is sand it. First thing you want to do is remove your tool rest. Simply wrap the paper around and move it back and forth. You can support it with your fingers, but you want to move pretty quickly, because if you hold in one space too long, it's going to get really hot really fast, and then can use any one of several finishes, a simple wax finish or French polish, any of those finishes, which is really easy to apply in the lathe. Okay, those are some basic techniques on the wood lathe. I'm Dave Trull with the Trull Gallery, the fine art of furniture making.